DJ Mats. DJ Mats.
You just want to make the girl them move. That's all.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Dance all.
Hey, bumper cock up with the back like panic. Back it up and make a boy white panic. See the video like that, you not hide from it. Pretty girl, oh. Every girl, broke out, 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 broke out. Wind it up, 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 wind it up. Broke out, 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 broke out. Wind it up, 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 wind it up.
What a vibe, what a vibe, what a vibe. Watch your girl, them a bubble and a wine. Every girl a lead, none a follow. And a wine like them a prove which one better. Dance all bustin' on your ears young. Take it dance floor to your playground. I know you feel good, don't play dumb. If you tired of this, go home and lay down.
Every girl up in the place and you're ready. Outfit looking like you're naked already. Dance all queen, you are emulate. People that say you're sex, we assimilate. Tell them, you no matter not at all. It's how you call, dirty dance hall. Pull it up, form it like ball. Don't stop until every dance girl. Broke out, 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 broke out. Wind it up, 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 wind it up. Broke out, broke out, broke out, broke out, broke out, broke out, broke out. Wind it up, 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 wind it up.
Book a rude boy and a grill. Same one pay for my bills. Them have the cufflinks and the rims. Yo, I'm a murderer dressed to kill. If say if me, I gon' come and tell him send the driver. But he could be the one I told him be the right one. Cause if you broke my heart, you know you cannot buy back. And anything you do, you know me, I gon' do it back. Why come forward enough? Me, I get something what you want then. Regular, don't regular. Body smooth like butter, hot like chili pepper. Make we chop them one by one. Galang girl, go down part two. Galang girl, give the boy tree that I'm mad like gotcha. We like girl, no other yeah. Lazy body, no want a lazy body. 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 Girl wind up like a crazy body. Girl I do the car track inna the road and alley. Yeah. Watch out that girl, they a wine for body. Girl do the muscle wine and brace your body. Bring it up in the air, everything round and back. Back it up, back it up. Girl I can't drop babes, go and do your thing. Me no want to stop. Girl I bubble in a mini skirt, shots up front.
Don't slow it down, wine fast on that.
If she a me ex girl, let me want her back. When she must wine, every part's contract.
But no.
Like we start from top. Yeah. Lazy body, no want a lazy body. 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 Girl wind up like a crazy bunny. Girl I do the car track inna the road and alley. Yeah. Watch out that girl, they a wine for body. Girl do the muscle wine. Azabi Swans have a new African music for the party. Bully let you
DJ Mats.
Still go and see. Break your body, I want to see. But the moment pull your machine never know no. Everybody go low, go low, go low, go low, go low, go low, go low. So tell everybody Patingi is mandate. Uri let you come out, modo, pate ye modo. Say, tell everybody Patingi is mandate. Uri let you come out, modo. See, pate ye modo.
Baby with immunity. Osibuka ovira kumudala chi. Akwagala lina kukola chi. Mpandise toko chinga magazine. Ngabubu yagala matukubu yagala marikaba. Ayagala mpaka njikulire mu Japan. Yambala bitikuna yambala bigabana. Teyambala uyu teyagala biva China. Ebyombi malanga, ebyombi malanga. Doula mafalanga, baby. Ebyombi malanga, ebyombi malanga, ebyombi malanga. Doula mafalanga, baby.
Oh, you're mine. Corazón me tinda come. Ahona otari njema. Akahando ore chenjije. Yeah. Ntion seture, super love ya busire. Every come baby come mire, just to let you know that you're the one I be holding on by. Baby, you're the real beauty, not true love. If you want love, you know have it out. I got no pretense and no pride. Every day just be by my side. That I'm a lover, that I'm a lover, lover. Yeah, tenda kuchanga, ni watanchanga changa. Yeah, that I'm a lover, that I'm a lover, lover. Yeah, tenda kuchanga, ni watanchanga changa.
Nimwe birungo, get the sauce from the sauce. Siri wa muzanyo, kuva kumutempa kamusauce. Nkwetegekede banga, nkwesunze nga cheke mu banka. Ng'amazimu tanka, kulukuta ondingo netaga. Kumudu jendiko, tosuba gwe tomanyi chendiko. Lero nze kintu kyo, sabimala baby nzaliko. I'ma call you daddy, I call you papi. Come see me twerking, I know you like it. I'ma call you daddy, I call you papi. Come see me twerking, I know you like it. Shorty make a boom party, boom my body. Let's make a boom party, for me yard. Come on, make a boom party, boom my body. Let's make a boom party, for me yard.
Time. A warm welcome to the party, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. We certified on the MTV, the Grounded Sounds Show, with the biggest host, the Beast, alongside one of the biggest MCs, a one DJ Mats. This show, we do it live each and every Thursdays. We're bouncing in on, powered by the Massive Effect. The Massive Effect DJs Academies. You wanna bring in your kid to do DJing, you wanna do anything MCing? We here. DJ Matt, how was that day?
That day was fine. Just because last night it was so much cold.
Now we did last night watch yourself.
Yes, it was summer there, so Baba de Muchizimbe, never you walk home with
Ati muzei yabatadde so mweyagala. So muli waweru. Anyway, we are going to say thank you for powering in. This show is proudly sponsored by Cox Electronics, located in Kakoba. We Dime Media behind the lens, Dime TV, Arnold Touch, blessings upon everybody. Lives and links are always moving on. Out there, straight out to the world, the Grounded Sounds Show. We kick in and we are just starting with the music. Tubasabula, matsa bagambe, tuli waweru, niwankubade tuli munda, unko muziki ntugutera. DJ, kato tuli nayo kachio, tuwa iza notaya kachaka man.
In fact, you know kuwa yoka tuli waweru.
Tuli waweru,
because we are outside.
Indeed. Wait, one more time.
We are outside. Tuli waweru.
Energy mujulide. We are outside. Kankademu. Tuli aheru abajankore. Big up to everybody who is tuning in. Abantu banje ba makike, linda messages nzija. Kakoba bana bakateto bambagambeho. Okay. Thank you everybody. Messages nzija in. Let's just go in for a short commercial break. Tubatero muziki tugarike.
Buka Muddy, get them a vibe. Hey, tuli waweru, tusimbude tuli wabweru. We are outside, tuli waweru. Chibala kufaya tuli wabweru.
Tuli outside,
tuli waweru. Tusimbude tuli wabweru. We are outside, tuli waweru. Chibala kufaya tuli wabweru. Tusimbude tusimuke chibala kufaya katuma UK vibes on vibes sitaki body energy atalina mane mu Uganda olemwa kuba party tupate it's been a long time takada vibe mombe vibe DJ mpa vibe na wombe vibe tusabule gwe party tuli waweru tusimbude tuli wabweru we are outside tuli waweru chibala kufaya tuli wabweru tuli outside tuli waweru tusimbude tuli wabweru we are outside tuli waweru chibala kufaya tuli waweru
Baby, get up, baby, company me. Cause when you company me, you comfort me. Chidala chota mani, montambuza chimanye gwende. Mwita mulete, baby sema tuya dola machilete. Siku zote, nenya nagoyo yego kulote. Intelligent Uli de kende, uli do buswali. Intelligent uli de kende, we wawo. Intelligent uli de kende, uli do buswali. Intelligent Yalla Buddha me say yalla fire don't. Everything me give her in the show me touch it on yeah. Hey, oh no man ya kula. It's what I chinye makula yo. Muti moguchuti muwido, ogudu daga beila isinga tunda piro. Nimechungwa kamula himino, nibutunda tegeka wedele. Yo, yalo beri wano topa mo side. Kiriza ni wrong baby wange yego right. Bachijana bode should never start a fight. Bala will never come in no chameleon body. Bidi like the fire no. Give me the fire woman I need your body down. No bidi dribble like the Ronaldo. Wanna crush my baby like you come a tornado. We up for more. We up the man. Bobo take the yoga. We up the man. Oh that a man. We up the man. Bobo take the yeah. Chiqualero. No chiqualero. Boy, chiqualero. Boy, chiqualero. Yeah, chiqualero.
Every morning you put a smile on my face when I wake up. You let me hard, I feel so real. Still I feel the fire burning. You're the realest one, so me could I never get one. Are you the best one? Tell you I've been kind of more. Still you're running me hard. Can't leave your way. Wanna touch your body. Don't come your way. Just go for me. Make me busy. Then I will make we things run so easy. Like I don't go in highway. Make me busy. Then I will make we things run so easy. Like I don't go in highway.
A comer el güey. A comer el güey. A comer el güey. She wants my love, she don't want money. Ayagalande. Atimani buja butana fetu fune. Yes, he ganze. Baba yetanga. A comer el güey. Baby oli mwetanga. Kwekola mateka. Dago bele güey. Ulidan kwetaga. Baba yetanga. A comer el güey. Baby oli mwetanga. Kwekola mateka. Dago bele güey. Ulidan kwetaga. Tubakuba kufa. Yenda kutwala kushopinga Dubai. Siri bakanga kabuze mu kasukari. Tolye jusa siri kusera kama masaji. Bakuba pambala ni kwamba za kufa. Ogo mubiri ko kusana muvasa. Habe nugu bali baba kumabubani. Nganze no kongera ya munda. Nabona bali batulemesa bagamba.
DJ Max. DJ
Umana njagala from Monday to Monday. Fire burn.
Welcome back from a short commercial break. DJ Matt. So we are watching what Chivera.
That song, Don't Break My Heart, it was this guy, Coco Finger. By then, we are in a hit walk on you guys.
By the way, it just shall know in the heat. No gamba in the heat, it just shall know in the heat.
That was by then, just because today it was Thursday. To take a marcation or a
You decided to go a throwback a little bit.
Just a little bit. So by then, Coco Finger, he has that one. He has a Mikono Waguru, that song. And he had this one of Break My Heart. It was a banger.
Why do you hit nappy to Sinokubanga ya DJ Mats? Because I see most of the DJs now are running into music. Vichi.
Language anytime now.
Anytime now. Remember, this is a grounded sounds show live on Dime TV. Each and every social media platform, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat. Puliwamu Tulio, the beast, your host for today with the biggest guest, DJ Mats. The beast, because I'm a beast.
Beast.
Tondawa, I'm a beast.
Why do you call yourself the beast?
I'm a beast.
The beast. You must be too big.
Violence. You're too very violence. DJ Mats, I say violence. So remember, the show is proudly powered by the Massive Effect DJs Academy that makes the most dynamic DJs around town. Proudly sponsored by Kax Electronics, Ekakoba, Arnold Touch, Wanawoli took to me the Dime Media, the biggest team around behind the cameras. Yeah, he's a big boy by the way. Muoza Vichi is a big boy. So, today, Simani DJ Matsa, you one of the DJs are boycotting a Big Eye.
Big Eye, I don't what happened to Big Eye.
Say yaba good day ne mutandikira wali wenyini we mwakoma.
Obuchupa.
Ebyo bigambo byosi byage mwatandikira wenyini we mwako.
Obuchupa baba mukube obuchupa. Ebyo bibye.
So apparently Big Eye yavuddeyo nagamba I can still trend without releasing a song for 10 years. What's you say as a DJ? Mutukubiye mutuwade buli kimu. What's you say on that?
But I think Big Eye just ayagala attention. He just went under attention y'abantu kugira ngo. Kubanga I don't see Big Eye 2013. Akaine hits and everyone knows. So, but by now Liga said all this time. Tiny hit. Shano chupan way.
So I hit ya don't know which part. I'm not training out which part.
Guy, you're not trending out which part, but musically, he's not there.
Musically, taina bya tugamba. Anyway, so yavuddeyo nagamba muzeeyi okatwigora ayuwa nkomize abosho no batandikire. But seriously,
which part I don't know that one.
I also don't know, but train accordingly. No manyito gitu ntuatu gine omunkubo Big Eye bamukubye for security purposes ayiba muteyete ndahagayo bukamanje. So tuli aho about many things trending today as we are heading into the weekend. By the way, I heard there is some big plot around town and you're one of the big boys behind that.
There are so many big plots around town.
There is one that you're behind. You as DJ Mats.
As a DJ or as a boss? For the plot I'm in, it's called the City Lounge. That's why we call it the City Lounge. Kuyabata City, so ate jueka ekachamba. No one touches on it. Stera, Taro kuchinga.
Amazon. By the way, I want to say a big shout out to manager Yaga for training Indian Dava. I think a message of Kasindi say Yaga Launch sponsors the show also. Tubatumi dekobuli mwali ya okuraunde akakoba. Yaga is also some big launch around town. Mwesite bawoli manya Yaga na yoko eri.
Yaga Launch. Kakoba that side.
Yes, exactly.
I know that place. And there's a place, it's called what? Opposite Yaga. What's it called? How is it called? Is it Lemons?
Yeah, by the way, that was also names. But a very big special shout out to the team at Yaga Lounge. Mavado Styles.
Oh, Musumboy. Oyo Musumboy Mavado Styles.
Yes, you get there in your Mavado. Bounce is Mavado Styles, Sonko Pro, Honesty, Gugu Dogo, the big boy behind that.
Why is he called the Gugu Dog?
Gugu Dogo.
Why is he called the Gugu Dog? What does it mean? What does it mean?
Chibuzo chisindika eriyaga manager Gugu Dogo n'ababoyizi bo bamavado bani bona mwena mwe muri one day muje mukyale munyonyole kintu.
Mr. Mavado Styles, Mr. Fire Emoji, ask your boss, what is Gugu Dog? We want to know Gugu Dog because we don't understand the meaning of the name.
Kama wange je wasuze ka violence ngoka kedde ngoka kedde ka violence. Anyway, a big shout out Sarah Bint Ndiamu representing everybody from that downside omanyiyo aongokiridde kuluzi no yenge ayo maso.
What? You said what?
Like this side, this down part eyambalale yeyo
No manisa katete
ni wahagambo kunyena jan side eri eyokokokoko
ni mangu warenga Ruizi no yamboko za Kampala katete, not Kampala ya Central.
Itokunu tuine Kampala. By the way, right about now she's in Nyamitanga Njangwa. Special shout out to DJ Mats.
Blessings, pan blessings.
Ninjara Sarah, that message was dedicated to you. There is Annette streaming in live from Katete 2.
Wait, there is Katete 1 and Katete 2.
Yes, there is. I hear there is Katete 1, Katete 2. Because we are also now a city. So, Twinamu 1, net 2, net 3. Just as we have.
City 1 and 2. We have North South Mpozande.
North South Central. Wana kastote gideyo. Anyway, or was winji, but as the show is the Grounded Sound Show, we do music specifically. Nchotwaretera one of the biggest boys at Tere, Kurugahati, Chakare, Sunday, Monday, Paka, Teri Kuzikiza, DJ. Drop me some tunes.
Nyukira kunyweza gira yenze ntano nja kugoberera tokola bya kinyayediya omupano nja kufukirira onkobesa nnyo nga bbira enobongo obutagulula togabange enyanga efiya guno omutima gwange ojja kugolomya kyolina kunumya omutima gwange wuwe gye gukoma nange sirina kulumya only love sirina kulumya kuba oli mwana wa bendi oli mwana wa bani you know I know what do you want to oli mwana wa bani kuba oli mwana wa bendi oli mwana wa bani you know I know what do you want to oli mwana wa bani.
Yes, sir. Bro, you know what it is. Kansubika mbuze mwane tampe bisenyige imbaga z'abanyarufunze no kuzesha gombeka toni yabishenyire kangana ati ndasubira mangana otarisindira mcyara omkiga ekitomini mchete omtorarira komere gisindo apana kasheshe nache obishbedo boyjat kwatsebe domoramtera gamaistigara koshe garangani sibatibu erere gisaizentem gawa like nanyebundonde H season Kaguzom parasi Ati ninda rakapeti Hey
H season Bwena H season Nisasi wefa kazi Ati necho kurisi chitabani Hey Wench Hey Wench Abande neba hagure
H season ni Kaguzom parasati nindara. Hey, today, so I want DJ Matt. Somebody ansindikidde message nambuuza, could you enlighten us obagambire Massive Effect DJs Academy niche? Because bawamba kibuuzabuuzawo messages ndezaba nyingi najja ntobunyi n'omukuru n'abasa kujya kiyatugambira, and we can say a word or two to them.
I think ekinguzagamba Massive Effect DJs. Massive Effect DJs is a group of DJs. It's like a crew. So erimu ba DJ nkaba tibinji munonga nkabana. Therefore, for those we have DJ Crystal. DJ Crystal works in Kampala. We have DJ Tony. Tony works with Interface Bar. We have DJ Red. DJ Red, we work with him around. And with some other DJs called Water, but he's not around. So, Massive DJs, tukachukua whole like a crew of DJ, but erimwe to bingi. So, ne training about DJ, we have an academy, of which that's the academy. So, training about DJ, so sharing a talent, takujira talent eitwine, sharing to those what, and even to those DJs aboko amenda kweganitwe. They can learn with us and even join what? Join us. So according to omuntu ekyakubana akorachi kyakubana ananga. So ka tuition nkakaro ka kinta kuzagamba kubanga akarango nimbana akarenzi. So ka tuition noine kubana sura ka tuition kuza kwega kuza kufuna services. So tuba twine modules nyingi zitukojesa. So mwenu DJ Academy as a DJ school over any school. Mine school in each one bega no ku batasha rene we kubachi mbabi ne modules zabo kuba kugenda mbega. So nitwe DJing na yino kwe kubaneka umwena aza kubuza ngo mbandi ko mukitabo. So nchirjera burumuti no ko kubana yigisa no sakushanga ntwandi ko mukitabo no sakushanga ntwegisa practically, but the most important thing ne practicals. So Massive Effect DJs is a group of DJs whereby remove that DJ's Academy, and some other stuffs.
Thanks for the love, Massive Effect DJs. Thanks for powering this show. Remember, it is a grounded sounds show that happens each and every Thursdays, live at Dime TV, representing Dime Media. We do music, we do everything. Tukola mikolo, tukoba bifananyi, we cover everywhere. So, Yagalon, thanks for the support. I see messages of love coming into March, messages of love coming into Dame. And this is just the beginning. We just don't take this for granted. Sonko, manager Sonko, manager what is manager ani?
Manager ani? Honest. Manager Sonko promotion. He's the one.
Manager wa JK is the beat boy.
Chona takushimanya. Manager wa JK's, manager Sonko promo, nyechina ninkushaba. Chikwatirina yaga. I need to know what is the meaning of the name Gugu Dog. Simu bobi.
Team Yaga Lodge. Ninjira message a very clear message airing what is behind the name Gugu Dog. Not my words, Kotmiel. Yaga Lounge, thanks for being there for us. Sarah, thank you. Anne, thank you. Kathy, thank you for watching the show. Mavado Styles, we want to say thank you. Moses, Faith, Simon, everybody, I want to say thank you. There is an entire team, an entire family to acquire behind the lens. Massive Effect DJs, a special token of thanks. Ninja DJ Mats Nozaji Tuara, Dime TV, Dime Media, we appreciate your work and efforts around town. Any message around there that you would like to give out to your fans, your followers, and people out there?
I think what I'm going to send for a watch out to just my people out there, my friends, my buddies whom I stay with. I was Steve Ras, managed chief because too many boys, too many DJs. Blessings, DJ Red blessings, everybody blessings. So the message I'm sending in to my fellow DJs. Batu gudeo katsawas, you know kwebereramu sakatendongo. You know what I mean? tunonye emirimu. We need to chase that kamane. Tuli wawere already. Tuli outside. Marinyankole is not one.
But she's a special recognition to the too many DJs, DJ Stevra, DJ Rio, DJ Red, Mwena. We say thank you. Brands Ezutwa Sokora Nazozona, whoever sponsored the show, thank you very much. Whoever viewed, thank you very much. Remember, it happens each and every weekday. Muziki ko muziki. By the way, ngajetuna agenda. After here, plotchi to dawa.
So after here, for today, after here, we're going to Yaga.
After here, together Yaga. Mavado styles, tuetegekeri.
Mavado tujja. We are coming. Mr. Fire Emoji, Mavado styles, Soko Promotions. Honest what? Honest manager. Your manager, where Yaga?
Anyway, thank you everybody for tuning in. We love you. We love you. We just appreciate. We just can't get enough of this. I sign out. Peace. Katukuwa muziki paka kumacha.
Yeah, na. Ondabikiranga butwa buli bwennyini obukambwe. Oli mutemu yennyini eyagala atatya na misango. Oli kadagala kabya kakutula n'enjovu omugongo. Wakukomba kakutukanga tanatusibwa na mulago. So tonight you're my killer potion. Let me be your Juliet. I drink you without caution. Onyingire mulu